Okay, hello everyone, and good morning from Portworld solution.com. So in the last video we learned how to install the P86P box, and in this video we will learn how to install the US gun, how to install a tablet, POE tablet, with the help of a US gun and this steel plate. So first of all, as in the last video we did is we install this plate with this US gun, and then we will install this plate with this embedded plate to this POE tablet. So first of all we install this, and what we do is we take two another size screws, and then we install here like this. So let me show you. And it's really easy to install this bracket on this US gun. And as you can see, we have just used two screws with the help of a screwdriver to install this plate on the US gun, and it's now freely movable. So now we install this tablet, 8-inch POE tablet on this steel plate. So what we do is, usually it's very easy to install this tablet with the help of this plate. So we have two catchers, and we use this place. There's a place provided here, and now we just need to push one more screw here, and it will automatically fix all the problems of this movement and cancel all the movements of this tablet. So now we use this, and as you see, it's now really easy, and within just maybe 3 to 4 minutes we have installed this POE tablet, this wall embedded tablet, with the help of this US gun. So anyone can do it at home, and Portworld Solutions will help you throughout this process. Thank you very much for watching.